All right, YouTube, we are back with part 2 of the egg hunt. Aaliyah's opening up her eggs. You found 19 eggs. Let's open them up and see. Okay, she got some Welch's. All right, open your other eggs. We'll see what you have. Oh, yeah, y'all, look at my nails. I just did my nails last night, my Easter nails. Let's see what you got, girl. Oh, what's that? Can you hold it up so I can see? Some Barbie clothes? Oh, girl. Okay, that's cute, honey. Some money. More, girl. Okay. This is the best Easter egg hunt, huh? See this, YouTube? She opening up all her eggs. You having fun opening your eggs? I mean, y'all, she is for real, like, going ham on these eggs. Girl, that's a cute outfit. Okay, okay.
Aaliyah, you need to hold up your money, huh? That's $5 bill. Not that one.
Okay. Okay, y'all. She happy about that cash. Let me guess. More Barbie clothes? Girl, I want to see what you got in all them eggs. She got some money and some doll clothes. That's a pretty dress. Y'all, she is determined. I'm telling you, like. Oh, girl, that's a pretty dress. Somebody need to wear that. You need to put it on one of your dolls. See how fast she opened up these eggs, y'all? Alright, well, that is it for this video. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Can you tell YouTube bye?